Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Priyanka Shekhawat. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm here with you with the box I have received today. It's by Smitten. So many of my friends are also confused about this Smitten, that how is the brand and did we have to order it or not. A very big confusion there. I have given just a try about this box. So I think I have done order of 199 rupees. I have got at least 5 trial packs. So just have received it and can't wait to share it with you. So the packaging of the box, you can see here a very beautifully written Smitten over here with 3 dots of blue color. And look at the packaging. Can you see? Okay. So I'm going to open this box. Here are the links: Facebook, Twitter and Instagram about this. So after opening this box, oh my god, you can see the packaging. Did you see that? It's very awesome, really very awesome, and with blue colors. And I have received the products in this, so I'm going to share it with you. So first I have ordered this type of soap. I think it is charcoal and green tea luxurious butter soap. I haven't used any item till now, so I can give you these review after using 1 week. So let me first use it. I'm just sharing what I have brought. So MRP here is written of 55 rupees. Best before. We are getting shelf life of 2 years. Yes, 2022. Okay, so first is this charcoal. I will use it and surely share the link with you in the description box about these products. And secondly, this I have ordered. Can you see? I don't know camera is capturing or not. So second thing is it's lavender body wash. We have received in trial pack. It's a very small bottle. Can you see? Okay, I have received 30 ml of product in this. Ingredients are corn and coconut based surfactant, aqua glycerine hydroxide and lavender oil in this. Okay, so I literally want to try a lavender body wash, but I think I'm getting a very big bottle, so I just need to try this. Let me see the smell of this. It really smells like lavender. Can you see? The color of the bottle is also in purple color. The body wash is also purple color. So the next item I have ordered is this face pack. Focus is not capturing. So it is just herbs, Smitten, pure bespoke Ayurvedic. So the product I have received is, let me open, is like this. You can see the rubber type of, I don't know what is this, how I will use it. I will mix the water or rose water in this. I don't know. Face pack like this. It is smelling like rose, dry rose leaves. I don't know how it would be. Face pack should be wet, मतलब थोड़ा गीला होना चाहिए था ना. It is too hard. Okay, so next thing I have this Aradhya skincare hair pack cum conditioner with argan oil. This small bottle. Can you see? It is also 25 ml and I have used it. You can see this much of product I have used it right now. I have just get a conditioner and I have used it. This much of bottle. So it is also, yes, all the things I think I'm getting 2 years of shelf life. So I'm literally happy with this. I'm going to order this big pack of this one. Really awesome. So the last product is this scalp hair oil. I think it's of camphor. Yes, amla and camphor. Actually I'm having a dandruff a little bit of in my hair, so this is also 30 ml quantity. So you can see this much of quantity we have received in this much of bottle. Can you see? Shea seeds. Okay, so ingredients in this are olive oil, sesame oil, sunflower oil, vitamin E, amla extract and camphor powder. So nice. These all are very beneficial for our hair. So, and yes, I have also got a very beautiful this thank you card that I have received. Here's written over here, thank you. So try by try. So I've got this package all over. So 5 things I have brought, all I have shown to you in the video, and I am literally happy. Only one thing I have tried, that is conditioner. Rest of all I will try it in a week and surely share it with you. So I think I've received all the products of 199 rupees, and a very nice deal is that I've got 165 rupees after ordering. When I've received these products, then in the Smitten box I've got a cashback of 165 or 168 rupees. That's a nice deal. So I'm having the amount in my Smitten itself. So next time when I will add something in my cart, so I will get discounted. That also you can give a try. It's a good brand, I think. Let me use it, then tell you about this. So this is all the review about the Smitten. Hope you all like the video. If you have liked, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and do let me know in the comment section how you liked my review. So meet you in the next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, stay positive and stay happy. Bye, thank you.